Welcome back to Product Critique, where we put the quirkiest and most clever kitchen gadgets to the test. Today, we're looking at what just might be the best carrot sharpener on the market, the Bntyok carrot peeler and curler set. At first glance, it might look like a giant pencil sharpener, but this little black tool is a game changer for food presentation. Let's dive in and see what it can really do. Inside the package, you get two sharpeners. Both come in sleek black with a sturdy plastic handle and a shiny, built-in stainless steel blade. One side is your sharpener. The other side has a wavy peeler blade that makes those beautiful, ribbon-like curls. The build feels surprisingly durable. Made of ABS plastic and stainless steel, it's reusable and easy to wash. You don't have to worry about it snapping while you're mid-carrot curl. You simply take a firm, washed carrot, or any long vegetable like a cucumber or zucchini, and twist it into the sharpener side just like you would a pencil. Within seconds, you're greeted with perfectly spiraled vegetable ribbons. Flip it over to the peeler side and you get a wavy, textured cut, ideal for garnishing dishes or adding flair to a salad. It's shockingly satisfying to use. What's really great is how multifunctional it is. It works on carrots, cucumbers, zucchini, apples, even radishes. You can go from slicing to curling to peeling all in one go. Whether you're prepping a fancy dinner or just want your kid to eat more veggies, this little gadget adds some fun to the plate. Pro tip: for best results, soak the carrots in salt water for about 15 minutes before use. It softens them just enough to make curling even smoother. The spiral cutter is compact, lightweight, and totally manual. No batteries, no plugs, just twist and go. It's safe, simple, and really elevates your plating game. Even if you're not a chef, it makes you feel like one. Whether you're decorating a dinner plate, prepping for a party, or looking to add a bit of flair to your home cooking, the Bntyok carrot peeler and curler makes it fun, fast, and totally mess-free. That's it for today's test. If you've got a product you want us to critique next, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.